just in the last few moments, just since we've been on air, in fact. It's in relation to the Home Office and also to migrants. Now, this is about the deportation of illegal immigrants. And what we are hearing is that an Eritrean man will not be deported to France on Wednesday. It's under the government's one-in, one-out policy after he won his High Court bid to have the removal temporarily blocked. So I think we can bring in our political correspondent, Liz Bates, at this point. This is such a crucial point of this government's plan to try and tackle small boats. What's happened?
Well, we're just getting details of this, Sophie. So, as you said, an Eritrean man will not be deported to France tomorrow. The High Court has blocked it. Lawyers acting on his behalf said he would be left destitute if he was returned to France tomorrow. Obviously, the Home Office very much argued in favour, but a legal challenge. We've seen this happen before. It happened to the previous government under the Rwanda plan. This is the last thing that this government needs to hear amid all the other scandals that they're dealing with. This is a flagship area for them. Under Yvette Cooper as the Home Secretary, they have been taking baby steps towards getting on top of this problem. We know that they haven't wanted to do anything kind of rash, as they would see it, or bold, as their political opponents would see it, like leave the European Convention on Human Rights or rip up other post-war conventions on refugees. So this deal that they made with France, Starmer and Macron back in July, a big flurry around this one-in, one-out policy. I think they thought that it could be a real flagship policy in terms of getting on top of this issue of the small boats and the problems with the asylum system, but a legal challenge that has blocked it. They will be really, really disappointed with this, and it could throw the entire policy into complete disarray. We'll have to find out. This has just happened, so we don't have a response from the Home Office. But what we do have is Kemi Badenoch. This is what she has said. This is exactly what I said would happen. Labour had a one-in, one-out deal with France. They failed to get anybody out, and we're still taking in more people from France, so we're still having net increase in immigration based on this deal. It is extraordinary that Labour are not able to deport one person. There was only one migrant on that flight. So this is about the entire thing. Reform, this is their head of policy, Zia Youssef. This is of no surprise to anyone. This Labour government is wasting taxpayers' money on a completely hollow and unworkable scheme, he says, without leaving the ECHR, disapplying international treaties like the 1951 Refugee Convention, and a total legal reset. No government will be able to get deportations off the ground. And look, this government is facing the same issues that many previous governments have faced, legal challenges to some of their flagship policies coming out of the Home Office to try to get on top of what is starting to seem like an insurmountable problem of the small boats coming across the Channel. They'd be very, very unhappy with this in the Home Office and in Number 10 this evening.
Yeah, certainly will. Liz, thank you very much.